Hi, folks. You're welcome to the next episode of the Forex Intermediate lessons. So, if you have watched the first episode, then you will be able to appreciate the importance of taking mentorship when it comes to Forex and also that beginners episodes. Please, if you have not watched the beginners episodes before coming here, there, please, I would recommend you go and do that. So, today we will be discussing about choosing the best broker for your Forex trading. Okay, so for those of you that don't know what broker means, simply means the firm or the company or the entity through which you place your own money to be able to have access to trade in the forex market. Okay, so that is just a layman explanation of what a broker is. Now let's say I want to make my own trade and then I have my own money in my bank account. The first thing I will need to do is to choose a broker. Okay, so when I choose a broker, then I will open an account with that broker, and then that broker will give me that ability to fund my account into that account that I've created with them. Then I will use that account to go and have access in the forex market. It's as simple as that. Now, what are the things that you need to do when you are choosing a broker? So on this video, I will be explaining to you the things you need to look out for when you are choosing a broker, and I'm going to explain that briefly down to you. And then also I am going to show you the first 10 best brokers based on the all these indices, and then also I am going to reveal to you the broker I am currently using. Okay, one of the brokers that I am currently using, and I will tell you why I am using that particular broker. Okay, so now, what exactly are the things that one need to look out when choosing a broker? Okay, one of the things you need to be looking out when you are choosing a broker is, the first thing is the rating of that broker. Okay, so what are the ratings for that broker? What are people saying about that broker? And then secondly, what is the leverage capacity of that broker? Okay, so for those of you that don't understand what leverage means, leverage simply refers to the ratio which the broker gives you to be able to trade. Now, in forex, the minimum amount you required, to be able to trade forex is $1,000. Okay, and then anything $1,000, anything less than $1,000, you cannot be able to trade in forex. Okay, but what leverage is that if you have $5, for instance, and then let's say your broker is willing to give you one ratio 200 leverage, then you can be able to trade with just $5 in the forex. What you will do to understand whether you can be able to trade or not is that you multiply that your $5 by that leverage, which is that 200. Okay, which will give you what? Which will give you 1,000. Okay, so that $5 will now be eligible to trade in the forex because the leverage that the broker gives you will permit you to do that. Okay, and for, let's say, you are using a leverage of 1,000, then what you will be trading with is, you will have a capacity to take a transaction with a unit of 5,000. Okay, so that is what leverage is all about. So it's more or less like you borrowing money from the broker, or the broker borrowing you some amount of money to augment your own amount. So looking at the spread also is another thing. So what is spread? Okay, spread is something that the broker charges you immediately you pick a transaction, and it is usually measured in pips. Okay, let's say you want to pick a trade at a particular price, then if the spread is 1 pip, then immediately you enter the market, even if you exit immediately, you are going to have a negative of 1 pip. And if the spread is 2 pips, then you are going to have a negative of 2 pips. Okay, what that means is that if you are using a lot size of 1, okay, then if you and the broker is having a spread of 1 pips, then you are going to what? Lose $10, even if you just enter the market and exit. And if you are using a micro lot, for instance, a nano lot, I mean, then it's going to be 0.01 lot size, which is going to be $0.1 that you're going to miss. And if it is a micro lot, then you are going to lose $1 immediately. So that is what spread is. So some broker will give you some certain level of spread, and that is also what you need to look out for. And then commissions. Some brokers do charge you in percentage of what amount you are using to pick a transactions. Okay, now sometimes you can go into a transaction and then pick a trade, and then you may end up losing that trade, and then some brokers will still charge you out of your own account. So it's as bad as that. So those are the things also you look out for if you are choosing a broker. And then also, the last major thing you'll be looking out for is customer service. How user friendly is their platforms, and how well do they respond to clients when they have issues. Okay, when you funded your account, for instance, and then it's not reflecting your own funding in your own wallet account, are they responding on time when you raise that concern with them? That is something that I will want you to also look at when you are trying to choose a broker. Okay, now choosing a broker. Now if you want to analyze brokers, look out for the brokers, then there are platforms you can be able to go and check that. Okay, now this very website, okay, top tier brokers, okay, toptierbrokers.com is also a platform that you can be able to go and search for the best brokers. This one is the rating of 2024. This is the top 10 brokers for that. Okay, and this is the summary of their breakdown. But before we go down on that, let me show you the summary of the breakdown. Okay, now this is the minimum deposit. Now there are some specific amounts that you need to fund your own account before you can be able to make your own transactions depending on the broker, and these are the breakdown of the brokers based on how they are, and this score is based on how people rate them. Okay, and they were chosen to be the best 10 brokers for 2024 because of the score that they got from the people that are trying to place a review on them. And from this place, the first one is, or the best one is AvaTrade. Okay, and the minimum deposit you need for AvaTrade is $100, and then this is their score, followed by XNest. This is their own minimum deposit, $10. XM Global, $5. Traders Trust, $50. IC Markets, $200. FXTM, HF Markets, $5. Olymp Trade, IQ Options, IFC Trades. Okay, so these are the best 10 brokers for this year. Okay, so please, before we proceed, I will want to make this clear. Okay, if you are starting off your forex journey, or you have been in forex for long but you still don't have the basic understanding and the basic knowledge to be able to know before you start trading your forex, then I would recommend you check out our beginners lessons on this very channel. Okay, we have episode 1 to 7, and then there are short videos trying to explain all the basic needs that you need to know when you want to start trading your forex. Okay, and that will help you a lot, and we have arranged it in series where you can be able to pick one episode, go to episode 2, episode 3, and then they are serially arranged in such a way that you can be able to understand it to the basic level. And if it happens to be that you are just starting off in forex, don't worry, just go to that beginners episode also. And this one, we are on the intermediate episode. If you're watching this video, you're on the intermediate episode, and before you can have an understanding of this to the basic level that I am explaining, then you will need to have the knowledge of all those beginners classes. Okay, so I will advise you to do that. And of course, if you want to take your trading journey to the highest level, the best thing for you to do is to follow a mentor that understands it, and then follow the guides that is being laid down for you step after the other, which is what we are trying to do on this very channel. Okay, so now let's go to the breakdown of these brokers. Okay, now let's look at the AvaTrade. Okay, what are the asset types that they support? We have different asset types online that you can be able to trade. We have things like forex trading, which majorly about currency pairs. If you don't know what currency pair is, go back to the beginners class, beginners episodes, is on this channel. You will be able to see them. I've explained everything that you need to know in that episodes. Then crypto trading. Okay, we have different things like crypto trading, stock trading, commodities trading, and index trading. And then this one is forex. So what do you want to be trading? You want to be trading forex, and this one supports forex. Okay, now what are the specifications? It is good for beginners. It's having 4 stars there. Good for experts, having 3 stars there. Copy trading is having 4 stars there, and then bonuses and rewards, 2 stars there, and then regulation and safety. Your own safety is also something you need to hold with high esteem. Okay, and there are things you need to be looking out for when you're choosing a broker. Okay, so I hope you guys are taking out important information from this video so far. Okay, so now look at it. Weakness is they don't support Bitcoin deposit. Well, if you have Bitcoin at heart, then you don't have this in your options. Okay, so very important. That's why it's very important for you to have this analysis to find out about the brokers before you even open an account with them, so that you know what they support and what they don't support. Okay, and then we go to XNest. You see also they have almost the same thing that they support with together with that um Ava trading, but then you also check out to other specifications like copy trading. They don't support copy trading. They don't give any bonuses and reward. You can see how important it is for you to have all this review before you choose a broker. Okay, now anybody that is choosing this XNest knows that he doesn't have any bonus that he can get, and he cannot use copy trading. Okay, so copy trading is something that will be discussed in another separate video, so don't worry about it, all this one, so that I don't take much time on this. The main purpose of this video is to just have, an understanding of the things you need to do before you choose a broker. Now, the strengths, negotiation, the activos, multiplier, this one is French. Okay, so for those of you that understand French, you can be able to search that, but let us try to search it in Google if we can be able to get that. Okay, so let me just go on Google, meaning of, okay, English meaning of this, meaning of this, so that I want you guys to be able to see these things. It does not accept merchants from Spain. So I believe they were referring to people that are from the French speaking countries for them to have used French. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. If you follow these videos and lessons, there's nothing that will stop you from becoming a self-made millionaire in Forex. So this is FXT, yeah, XM. Okay, so now if you look at this one, these are the things they support, specifications, all this copy trading. They do copy trading and they have bonuses and rewards also. And so don't forget about the deposit method they support, online transactions like all this MasterCard, Visa, and all these deposits. Okay, so now that's it. Their weaknesses, they do not support Bitcoin deposit. That is also this one. So you will see their website right below their own labels. Okay, then Traders Trust. This is Traders Trust. So they don't support copy trading. Okay, so now stocks trading, there's no any review here. So if stock is what you want to go into, then you can be able to know that this one is a no-go area for you because you don't have any review. So it's going to be more or less like, trying to find out by trial and error from your own end. So it's very important for you guys to follow these things and then try to understand all the things that you need to understand before you choose a broker. Okay, so now let's go and look at the weaknesses. They doesn't offer stock trading. Okay, so that's that. High leverage up to 3,000. Okay, so I just explained that to you. And then low spread and commissions, which means they charge commissions, and to me in person, I don't like commissions. I hate commissions. Okay, so now this one is markets. So if you look at it, copy trading, they don't do copy trading. Bonuses and reward, you see it blank, there's no bonus and reward, there's no copy trading. And then this one, they doesn't support Bitcoin deposit. Okay, now let's go. Bonuses and reward is not there, but copy trading is available. And then also, if you look at the weaknesses, they do not accept traders from the Europe, and they don't accept or support Bitcoin deposit. Now, if you are in the Europe, it's very important for you to know this before you even start choosing the broker. Okay, now this is hot forex market. Okay, these are the things they trade. Okay, and then these are the specifications: copy trading, bonuses, regulations and safety, and things like that. Okay, then strength: excellent copy trading module, good educational materials and webinars. They do train people on all those things. And then many deposit methods are available. You can even make your deposits by transfer or things like that. And then there are also very good bonuses and royalty rewards. And then weaknesses, they don't have any weakness at the moment. Okay, so now this is all in trade. Okay, you see they don't do copy trading, bonuses and rewards. Then they are not suitable for, spot sophisticated traders. They don't accept traders from the Europe. Okay, so those are their weaknesses. IQ options, these are there. Copy trading is not available, bonuses and reward are not there. And then if you look at their weaknesses, not suitable for sophisticated traders, can trade indexes only through ETFs, doesn't support Bitcoin deposits. Okay, and then the last one, which is the CF D market, TFC markets, right? Yeah. So look at it on the screen. So now these are the reviews about this one and the information about it. They can't deposit with skrills or netelas. Okay, so these are the things you need to do as a trader if you want to choose a broker. Very important. Okay, because you can't afford to have a broker, open an account with them, and at the end of the day, you not don't get any advantage from them. Now back to the promise that I made, that I will disclose to you the broker that I am using currently, and I will tell you why. Okay, so the broker that I am using is Hot Forex Market. Okay, so that is the broker I'm using. Okay, let us go down to Hot Forex Market. Now let's take a look at how they're on review, and then the information about them is now. Look at it. They support Forex trading. Of course, Forex trading is the major thing here for me. And then the specifications, good for beginners, good for experts, almost 4 stars. Copy trading, bonuses and rewards about 5. Regulation, very safe. And then the strength, excellent copy trading module and all these things. Weaknesses, they don't have any weaknesses at the moment based on this review. And then also, if you look at it, they offer they don't charge commissions. Okay, they don't charge any commissions. Okay, and their spread is very low, especially when you choose the best plans, from their existing options. Okay, so this is the broker I am using currently. Okay, so you can go ahead and make your own findings using this guide that I have made for you, and then choose out the best that you want to choose. Okay, and if you want to use Hot Forex Market, I'm going to drop the link in the description of uh, to their website, where you can be able to go and then open up your own account. I'm also going to drop a video, describing and then guiding you on how you can be able to, create your account with them. And if you have any question about that, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so just so you understand, I am not advising you to open, your account with any specific broker, but I am just telling you the broker I'm using, and I promised that at the beginning of the video, and definitely I have to keep my promise. So now that is that. Okay, so and then our next video, we will be discussing about how to use the trading applications. Okay, we are going to be looking at using the trading applications, because if you know the best application that you want to choose, and then also you know the best broker that you can be able to use, then the next thing is for you to be able to use the navigations of all these trading applications. Okay, and then of course I will be able to show you how I do, all this get around with my application, and then show you all those things that I've been using. Okay, and that is what I will record in the next video, guys. Okay, and just to show you about the applications I'm telling you about, if you want to measure the price difference from this place to this place, there are tools that you can be able to use. Now let's say, for example, I want to measure from this point. Let me check how many pips it is from this place to this point. It's about 62 pips. Okay, and then very simple, let's say I want to place a horizontal line to mark this very point, then I can just come and place the horizontal line. So I am going to record a video about this, guys, and then you will get to understand a lot of things from that video. Okay, so that's that. So if you want to take your Forex journey to a professional level, starting even if you are a beginner, then I will advise you join our Telegram group through the link I will be dropping in the description of this video, because the advantages you're going to have on that is you will have access to ask questions directly, and our um, instructors and then tutors will be able to respond to you in real time, and then of course you will be learning your forex trading to a mastery level. Believe you me, when I say you will get the best knowledge if you stick to this channel, then I am not joking about that. Take my word for it. Okay, if you really want to be a forex, a forex made millionaire, then I recommend you join this channel. Okay, so if you are yet to subscribe, please do that so that you will be notified when the next video is uploaded. And of course, if you have not liked the video, please do that. Please, we need that from you. And thank you, guys. See you in another video, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.